Hello and welcome back to Investment Vitals. The cryptocurrency market has done reasonably well in the last couple of weeks. For the last 15 days or so, the total cryptocurrency market has moved up approximately 12 to 13%. Well, that's not a bad move specifically in the current context. Is it good? Not good? Bad? Not bad? Let's dive in and see. Well, one of the key reasons why the cryptocurrency market has done well in recent past has been the anticipation of Ethereum Futures ETF. Today, Ethereum Futures ETF listed in the US. Well, how important is this? Well, there are other ETFs launched in other parts of the world, but considering the size of the US economy, any movement or any currency flow from the US is of great importance. We can see US economy is approximately one fourth of the world economy, 25% of the world economy. Therefore, any changes, major changes in US which can impact the money supply can have a big bearing on the overall market. Therefore, this launch was anticipated widely and the market has rallied in anticipation. But would it, the market continue to rally? Maybe, maybe not. Well, let's go back in time, the way back time machine, and see what had happened in similar instances in past. When we go back in past, let's look at the example in case of Ethereum or in case of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin futures, similar kind of instrument, Bitcoin futures ETF had launched in US on 18th of October 2021. October 18, 2021. Let us see what happened when what was the impact on Bitcoin back then. This is the timeline. This is on the chart. The very day when Bitcoin ETF was launched, marked here in line. I'll remove this line for easy viewing now. On this day, from this day onwards, Bitcoin had moved up, well, quite impressively, not impressively actually, around 10% or so, which is not bad, and it further continued the rally to move up by approximately, well, 11 to 12%. Not bad. But what really matters or what is important is what came after that. Subsequent to that, Bitcoin market went into a downturn, a major downturn. Let us measure the impact thereof. Let us see where it went. Well, from this date, which is October 18, 2021, which is right about here, October 2021, from right about here, the Bitcoin market fell by more than 70%. Not a good sign. So after the initial rally came a big pull down. Even if I measure it to a lesser extent, to the first major downfall or support thereof, it still fell down by more than or almost 50%. So the precedence in this context has not been positive. Let us look at a similar instance in case of Bitcoin again, when Bitcoin had launched on the futures exchange in CME, which is Chicago CBOE Futures Exchange. This was on 18th of December 2017. December 18, 2017, which is marked here. Clearly seen this launch in futures had marked the very top of the Bitcoin cycle in 2017. After that, after the initial few days, Bitcoin had fallen massively again by approximately 80%. So history tells us that this event could be buy the rumor, sell the event. Now, having said that, is it really that scary? No, not really, because 2017 was the bull market year. For those of you who are not aware of the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency market cycles, typically Bitcoin tends to move in a cycle of 4 years. Within that 4 years, there is 1 or 2 years of bull run, a year of downturn, and then 1 year of consolidation. We are currently in the consolidation year. 2017 was the bull market year. So 2017, prior to that was 2013, and subsequent to that was 2021. We are way apart. We have been through the bear market, and this, in my opinion, is the consolidation year. 2024 would mark the beginning of the next cycle. Again, this is also because of halving, which is a different matter, and I'll be covering in the subsequent video. So be careful. History tells us that this could be a bad sign. Just to elaborate further, not just the history lesson, Bitcoin market, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market in all is largely dependent on the money supply therein. You and me, no matter how much willing we are to buy, will only buy when we have money. Therefore, the money availability with people and at collectively for the people at economy level play a very vital role. I will show you just now in here in this chart. I have tried to measure the money supply, that is M2 money supply in the top five economies globally. Now, if you look at the top five money supply in these major economies, you can very clearly see that in recent past, the money supply has been shrinking. In fact, money supply has been shrinking since February of 2022 globally, and it has fallen quite sharply. In the last couple of years or months, it has fallen by approximately 10%. Although money supply had increased subsequent to October 2021 because of crises in various economies, but the general trend has been down. So when people do not have enough money or the money goes out of the system, the buying power or the ability, the capacity to buy goes down. And hence, in my opinion, it could be a risky time to buy cryptocurrency right now. Maybe end of this year or the early part of next year could be a better time. This is also another deep topic which I'll be covering in one of my subsequent videos, probably in a couple of days. So please stay tuned. Do subscribe to the channel so that important updates like this and the deep dive of money market in the global economy, the risk probabilities, the risk of recession, and other probabilities and other key important factors that, in my opinion, would drive the cryptocurrency market will be covered. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please do put it across so that we can address and it could help the entire community. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.